located in the seat pocket in front of you and by paying attention to all signage. Also in the seat pocket in front of you is our Via Destinations magazine, and in the compass section of the magazine, starting on page 67, you will find all the info about our Comfort Class menu, our pay-per-use wireless internet service, and our Via Preference reward program. And to avoid disturbing other passengers, we would appreciate if you would set your phone on the vibration mode and use headphones with your other devices. Recycling bins are located on board, and we invite you to deposit aluminum cans and plastic bottles into these recycling bins. And this train is entirely non-smoking. This includes the washrooms between cars and on any station platform. And kindly have your tickets ready along with